Are you tired of picking tiny vinyl scraps off your thumb for hours or wishing that you could sublimate on dark cotton t-shirts? Well, today we are answering the biggest question in crafting right now, which is, what is DTF? DTF stands for direct to film. It's a process where your full color design is printed directly on a special transfer film, and it's then completely ready to heat press onto your garment. Now, if you've been crafting for any amount of time, you're probably wondering, why is DTF better than heat transfer vinyl, or why is DTF better than sublimation? So let me explain. Here's why DTF wins over vinyl. With DTF, there is zero weeding, there is zero layering, and you can print a 15 color intricate design and press it in one step. If you've made heat transfer vinyl shirts before, you know what it's like to layer up multiple layers so you can get all the colors you want, and then you're left with a shirt that feels like a Lego creation and not like something you actually want to wear. And DTF bypasses that completely. You get full color, vibrant prints that don't chip, peel, or fade, and you can press it in one step and have boutique quality shirts that look like they were made at a shop. Now, what about sublimation? Because I have a sublimation printer, maybe you do too, so why is DTF better than sublimation? Sublimation is an awesome process, but it's extremely limited. It only works on lightly colored polyester blend garments, and no matter how good your sublimation printer is, over time your designs are going to fade. DTF, on the other hand, works on any fabric, and I mean any fabric. It works on denim, it works on cotton, it works on polyester, it works on anything you can possibly imagine, linen blends, and DTF has a built-in white underbase. Now what that does is it allows your designs to pop on any color that you're putting it on. So even if you're putting it on a dark black fabric or something that's already white, that color is gonna be vibrant and pop no matter what. Now you might be wondering, how do I use DTF? So because DTF prints exactly what you give it, high quality, vibrant files are going to be your best friend. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head on over to designbundles.net, and I'm gonna show you some designs that you can get that would be perfect candidates for DTF. So let's take a little stroll around designbundles.net, and I'm gonna show you what would be like a prime candidate for a DTF graphic, because DTF is gonna print exactly what you give it. So you wanna use high quality, vibrant images whenever you're doing that, and PNG files are going to be your best friend. So once you're on designbundles.net, you're going to want a Plus membership. If you don't have a Plus membership, today is a great day for you to sign up for a free trial, because with Plus membership, you can download any files in the Plus library, and there are millions of them. That's not even an exaggeration. There are actually millions of files in the Plus library, and tons of PNG files that are perfect for DTF printing, but they also come with a premium commercial license. And if you upgrade to Plus Unlimited, it comes with a print on demand license, which is crucial if you want to sell the shirts that you're making with DTF. So with that being said, let's check out two categories on designbundles.net. First is the crafters category, and we're gonna go to sublimation designs, because sublimation designs are also PNG files. So we can look at those, and let's just look at best match for starters. I already see so many that I personally want to download, but like, look at this cute back to school one. I can't believe we're going back to school in just a couple weeks. That's insane. But these are perfect for DTF because not only do they have a lot of color, they're vibrant, they're complex. These are things that you just can't recreate with heat transfer vinyl. And while you could sublimate this, you can only sublimate it on a limited amount of materials, and ultimately it's still gonna fade, and that's gonna be so annoying. So anything in the crafters or anything in the sublimation category of crafters is going to work. That is almost 2 million results just in that category alone. I love this little spooky season one too. Oh, it's so adorable. I love that. You can see we've got lots of spooky things coming up, lots of cute illustration. I love these. We love our designers here at Design Bundles because we have so many great designers and storefronts here on the site, and they just upload so many fun things. So I love that. I love the reading ones always. And I love all the Halloween things popping up right now. I guess it is almost time for Halloween crafting. I can't believe that. I love these little sea animals. Those are so cute. So once you find a design that you like and you want to download, all you have to do is click download right here. You're gonna get this little pop-up. It's gonna tell you right below it what the file type is. And don't forget, we are looking for PNG. And then you can just click the little download button. And now it's downloaded with a transparent background to your downloads folder on your computer. And I'll show you in just a minute when we get to that part, how you will upload that to dtfprinter.com to order your designs. But another section that might be good to look at is the graphics section. I can scroll on the left-hand side and I can limit my search to just PNGs, which is again what we want for DTF. And then we can see all the different PNG files that are in that category. And again, there are a ton, 585,000. So there are plenty for you to choose from on designbundles.net with your Plus membership. Now, let's scoot on over to dtfprinter.com because let me show you what this will look like when you're actually uploading it. But first, a little detour. Maybe you don't want to go through all of the designs on designbundles.net, or maybe a Plus membership is not in your budget right now, but you still want to try DTF because you know it's a game changer and it has to be part of your crafting routine. So if that's you, you can go to pre-made gang sheets here on dtfprinter.com, and you can see we have a good selection of bundles and pre-made gang sheets that have tons of designs already included in them, and they're all discounted right now. So this one is a good like teacher shirt bundle, for instance. This is a 60-inch DTF sheet that includes lots of fun designs that are kind of teacher and learning oriented. And you can scroll down and see exactly what that looks like. These are full shirt front prints. So they're huge and they are full color and vibrant. And I highly recommend checking those out. So lots of super cute things, like just right here on dtfprinter.com. But maybe you want to upload your own designs. So if you want to do that, you just click on Build Your Gang Sheet here. You're gonna select DTF because that is what you press onto soft, like fiber-based products. UV DTF, we can do a separate video on that, but that's like a fancy sticker that is UV coated to make it dishwasher safe, and it's for hard surfaces. Think like mugs, tumblers, picture frames, all that kind of stuff. So I've already got some designs uploaded in here, but if I wanted to add more, I could just click Upload Images, and you can select from your downloads folder the ones that you just found on designbundles.net, and you can see it's just gonna upload it here for you. So then once it uploads, it's gonna upload it at its like original size, which is not always what you want. So you can click the drop-down menu here and you can either enter a custom size, like maybe you know exactly how many inches wide you need your design to be and it will update the height proportionally. Or maybe you don't and you just know what you wanna make. So maybe I know that I really want this to go on the pocket of a shirt. I can select that. I can come down here and select adult shirts, makeup bags, oversized shirts, oven mitts, pillows, back graphics, so much more. I can also update the quantity. I could get 2 of them if I want to. And you can build your own gang sheet that easily. I know on some websites you have to kind of like nest everything on your gang sheet to maximize space. You don't have to do that at dtfprinter.com. We took the guesswork out of it and we're making sure you're saving as much money as possible every time you make a gang sheet. Okay, as if I haven't shown you enough already, I want to show you one more thing before we actually press our shirt. And that is, what if you want to customize the design that you downloaded? So maybe you found the perfect graphic on designbundles.net with your Plus membership, but it's just missing that je ne sais quoi. Maybe you want to add a name to it. Maybe you want to add happy birthday to it. Maybe you want to add a year to it. Maybe you just want to customize it and add more stuff. Don't worry. We've got you covered, because also included in your Plus membership is access to Creator, which is our all-in-one design platform that is super easy to use, drag and drop. You're going to love it. So I'm gonna hit Design with Creator from designbundles.net. And we're just going to, actually we're gonna upload an image, because we're gonna upload the image we just downloaded of this cute little whale, and we're gonna customize it. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to customize something in Creator. Let's add some text first. I'm gonna click on text. I'm gonna search like for a retro font here. I like this one. So when I click on it, it adds it to my canvas. I'm gonna say blub, because honestly, I've been reading The Pout Pout Fish a lot with my daughter, and it always makes me think of blub, blub, blub. I can click on it and I can actually change the color up here really easily. I can also go to the rainbow color thing and get a more custom color if I want to. Like maybe I want to kind of try to match this blue just a little closer. And then I want to duplicate this one because I want the same thing, but I want this one to be curved. So I'm actually going to come up here to effects and I'm going to bend my blub. I'm going to have to separate it out a little bit because it's a little close together. Hold on. And then I can rotate it and put it right here. Blub blub. I might bend this one a little bit too, just to make it kind of hug our little guy. Blub blub. And now let's add some bubbles. So I'm gonna go to the library. I'm gonna search bubble. Let's see, oh, this one's cute. I'm gonna click it to add it to my project. And then I'm just gonna add some like little bubbles above him. They're kind of sparkly, which I like that actually. Okay, and just like that, we have customized a graphic using Design Bundles Creator. There is so much more you can do in Design Bundles Creator, by the way, so if you want to know more about it, let us know in the comments below, because we can make an entire video just on Design Bundles Creator. But for now, that shows you how easy it is to take something you found in Design Bundles and upload it, customize it, make it your own, and now it's ready for printing. And now I can hop back over to DTF Printer if I want to, and I can upload the design that I just made. There it is. There's our little blub blub. Ta-da! Okay, before I show you how to press your transfer that you get from DTFprinter.com, I have to mention just a couple of things about DTF Printer that set it apart. First is, you don't need a temperamental DTF printer. A lot of people think they have to purchase their own DTF printer at home to have access to DTF, and that is just not the case. It's so much easier just to purchase through a place like DTFprinter.com, have it shipped to your door directly, fast and easy. You don't have to maintain a printer. You don't have to worry about troubleshooting. Everybody hates troubleshooting a printer. And they're shipped in high quality, and you know you're gonna get exactly what you created. Our DTF prints are printed fresh in the US, and we have a super quick 1 to 2 business day turnaround on our DTF transfers, which is amazing when you're in a time crunch, which I always am. There are also no minimum orders on DTFprinter.com, so it makes it great for gifts or prototypes or starting something new, and it's great for just trying it out. Also, shipping is free on orders of $75 and up. Okay, without further ado, let's press a transfer so you can see how it works. Okay, so before we do anything, we're gonna heat up our heat press. So it should be said that you can use any kind of heat press to press DTF. In fact, in a pinch, you can even use a home iron, but a clamshell press like this one is gonna be the absolute best. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on, and we're gonna set our heat press to 310 degrees, and we're gonna be pressing for 15 seconds. So we're gonna let that heat up, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to cut your transfer. When you order from DTF Printer, it's gonna come in a large, if you order a bunch of prints anyway, it's gonna come in a large gang sheet like this one. So you can see all your designs are gonna be printed in vibrant color, and they're all just gonna be nested next to each other. Your job is just to cut out the transfer that you want to use. So today I'm actually gonna be doing my print on an apron, so I'm gonna cut out these cute little bunnies. I've been waiting for a time to use these. I just think they're so cute. Also, if you've never cut DTF, just know it's a euphoric experience. It cuts like butter. It's so exciting. So here's the design we're gonna do today, and I'm gonna be putting it on this cute little like kind of half apron. We are going to preheat our material first, just like you would with heat transfer vinyl or anything else. And then we're going to press on our design. No need for a Teflon sheet, no need to press twice. Literally just press it on for the full 15 seconds, and then we're gonna let it cool completely before we peel away the transfer paper. Okay, she is ready. Remember that first we're preheating our garment. We're gonna do that for the full 15 seconds. And then I'm just gonna take my transfer, place it where I want it, right here in the middle. I'm gonna slide this back underneath. And now we're gonna press it again for the full 15 seconds. Ta-da! Okay, I'm giving you a close-up look at the peel because the peel is the most satisfying part. So I'm just gonna take one corner, I'm gonna look at it and make sure it has come off like it should, and it did. And now we're just gonna peel it away, and it's like butter. I mean, no issues, super vibrant, super smooth. That's the power of DTF, baby. And here is our finished product. She's not gonna rip, she's not gonna crack, she's not gonna fade. I can stretch it. I can crumple it up. I can put it in the washing machine. This thing is not going anywhere. And that's why you use DTF. Okay, DB besties, comment below what you are going to print on your first DTF gang sheet. And don't forget to use the links in the description of this video to grab designs, fonts, and custom prints from dtfprinter.com. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because we're back here every week with all the crafty tutorials. But until next time, happy crafting, friends.